back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and if you don't know me, hi, my name is Ishita and I post videos related to makeup, lifestyle haul, vlogs and so many fun challenges. So if you're interested in any of the further topics, please consider subscribing. There is a red button below. Please do click it and click the bell button beside it so you get notified next time I upload a video. So the festive season is coming and I decided to do a series on festive makeup looks, and today is the first day of that series. So the most famous festival of Bengalis, that is Durga Puja, is coming. I am a Bengali, so Durga Puja means a lot to me, like everything to me. Durga Puja is an emotion. It's not just a festival, it's an emotion to all of the Bengalis. This time it is quite different, but doesn't matter if we go out or not, we will still get dressed and still do our makeup. So I think as this is a Bengali festival and it's a like Durga Puja of which happens in Bengali, I will speak a little bit of Bengali in this video. So if you don't know Bengali, I'm so sorry. I don't know if I will be putting some subtitles or not. I think you will understand what I'm telling. So আমি একটা makeup look করতে চলেছি, which will be like the Shoptami makeup look, and Choshti Shoptami. It's a chill kind of environment. We go and we go pandal hopping and all. This time I don't think we will be going pandal hopping, but we will still get dressed as I said. So I will be doing a look for like this chilled kind of day if you are going out with your friends and if you are like heading out with your family. That's how you can get yourself dressed. If you are going out, please consider wearing a mask, having a sanitizer with you. Enough blabbering done, let's jump to the real video. আমি যেটা পরে আছি, this is a blue kurti. I will be putting some clips here so you guys can see what I'm wearing in a full length. So it's a kurti, it's a blue color kurti. I bought this from Indra, from the brand Here and Now, but it was a little bit longer, so I altered it and made it a little bit short to give this umbrella kind of shape. Pant I'm wearing in the clip you will be seeing is from FBB. It's a straight pant, cotton pant. এই আউটফিটটা সপ্তমী ষষ্ঠীর জন্য একটা পারফেক্ট আউটফিট, বিকজ এই আউটফিটটার সাথে আর অক্সিডাইজ জুয়েলারি খুব ভালো যাবে. সো আই হ্যাভ লাইক ফিউ অফ দ্য ইয়ারিংস অ্যান্ড আই এম লিটল বিট কনফিউজ. আমি জানি না আমি কোনটা পরতে চলেছি. সো ইয়েস, এই কুর্তিটা আমি আগেরবার দুর্গাপূজায় নিয়েছিলাম অ্যান্ড আই রিয়েলি লাইক দিস কুর্তি. ইটস কটন কুর্তি অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ ভেরি কমফর্টেবল. সো আই হ্যাভ লাইক ফিউ অফ দ্য অক্সিডাইজ ইয়ারিংস. So here is the one. I really like this one. This will look good with this outfit, I think so. আমার কাছে আরও অনেক অক্সিডাইজ ইয়ারিং আছে, বাট আই থিঙ্ক এই তিনটা পারফেক্ট লাগছিল. আই থিঙ্ক এটা ভালো লাগছে. তোমরা কি বলছো? হোয়াট আর ইউ গাইজ সেইং? লাইক আই থিঙ্ক. আর আমার কাছে আরেকটা আছে যেটা আমাকে আমার একটা ফ্রেন্ড দিয়েছিল, আদিতি. থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দিস. এটাও খুব সুন্দর লাগছে. সো ইফ ইউ আর গোয়িং ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু লাইক go with a heavy earring, you can have one like this. I think I will go with this one. This is a small one. People who are from Kolkata, they know about Shambazar, Hathi Bagan. So I bought this from Hathi Bagan. It literally retailed for ₹30. So আমি এটাই পরতে চলেছি. So yes, actually the kurti is a very high neck, so I don't think a neck piece would do justice. You can wear a bigger neck piece with this, but not wearing any. So yes, তার সাথে আপনারা হাতেও কাপস পরতে পারেন, যে অক্সিডাইজ কাপগুলো পাওয়া যায়. I have one. আমি after this video I will show you. I will wear that cuff, I think. এবার আমি মেকআপটা শুরু করতে চলেছি. ফার্স্ট আমি একটা টোনার নিচ্ছি. দিস ইজ দ্য বায়োকিকাম্বার টোনার. ওটা আমি হাতে অল্প নিচ্ছি. তারপরে আমি একটা ময়শ্চারাইজার নিচ্ছি. দিস ইজ মাই গো টু ময়শ্চারাইজার. আই এম গোয়িং টু ইউজ আ বাম ফর মাই লিপস. I'm applying the primer. It's from Nykaa. For the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 235. So foundation টা লাগিয়ে নেবার পর আমি এটাকে সেট করব using a compact. So I have already done my base. Now I will shift to my eyes. So for that I am using my concealer, that is the Maybelline concealer. Now for I'm doing my eyebrows. For that I'm using the Sugar eyebrow enhancer. It's in the shade 2 Top It Tom. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I will do like my eyeshadow. For that I'm going to use Wet n Wild Rose in the Ear palette. I'm using the transition shade for. Don't I look like Kajol from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum? I think my hairs are making me look like that. So yes, I just applied the transition all over my lid for the transition. So I'm going to do a smoky brownish kind of look, light smoky kind of look. So yes, for that I have used the transition all over my eyes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to like take a darker shade. I think I will go with the brown shade here, and I will apply it on my outer corners. थोड़ा सा मैंने अंदर की तरफ भी उसको पुश किया है. So I'm going to take this whitish kind of shade on the top, and I will just go with it on my inner eyelid. Now I'm going to use this brown shade right here from the Revolution Hypnotic palette. I think I will take it in the finger and apply it, and then I will blend the two shades. Now I will take the same brown shade that I applied on my outer corners and put it a little bit on my lower waterline, like lower eyelid, I guess. So yes, this is the look. I will do it on my other eye as well now. It's a very easy eyeshadow look. I applied a transition over my lids, then I applied brown on my outer corners and little bit on the upper lid, and then I blended those two shades. A very light matte shade on my inner corners of the eye, and then over it I applied a brown shadow, and I applied the brown brown that I applied on my outer corner on my lower lash line, and then I blended it with the transition shade. So this is the look. Now I will be applying a false lashes after I complete this whole look. So I'm using the Sugar contour palette for contouring and highlighting and adding blush to my cheeks. It does the work of a bronzer, not like a contour thing. So I like it because I don't like heavy contouring. So I'm applying the same contour shade on my lower chin to give it a definition, because this double chin, oh my god. Now I'm going to use the blush. This one is the 01 Subtle Submit. So it's actually subtle. Now I'm going to add this highlighting shade to my cheeks. Applying a little bit on the chin, on my Cupid's bow. I forgot to like contour my nose. I didn't like highlight my under eye, so if you want you can do that. I really wanted to keep it like this. I really like how it turned out, like it's super cute. Now I will be setting my face with the setting spray. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. So yes, my makeup is all set. Now I will be applying lipstick. For the lipstick, I am going with the very sweet nudish kind of color. It's from My Glam. It's in the shade Swinger. Now I will apply some lashes. So yes, I applied the false lash. Now I will apply the mascara. Now I will be highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner. For that, I am taking the same brush with which I was applying eyeshadow. I am using the same palette, same sugar palette for highlighting. So yes, this is my final look. I also owe the handcuff. Now I will be fixing my hair. For that, I am going with a slick ponytail. I will just comb my hairs back. Tie all the hairs. Just take one strand in front, the strand from this side as well. So this is my final look. You can even do like straight your front strands. So this is my final look.